Alright guys, what's up? Anthony Roberts here, ARcreates, and I've got a brand new tutorial for you today. I'm going to show you real quick how to wrap text around an object. This is a really useful technique in your designs. So first off, I'm going to place our image here and get it to fill the canvas, position it however you would like. Alright, and then next step is we're going to go select the lasso selection tool. And what you want to do is you're going to draw around the space that you want your text to be inside of and leave a little bit of gap. So what I want to do is I'm going to do it in this right bottom corner here. And I'm going to start outside of the canvas so that way it covers the whole selection or this whole little area. And as you can see, I'm leaving a little bit of gap between the guy because I don't want my text butting right up against it. There's a couple of different ways you can do this, but in this instance, I found it easier just to draw it with the lasso tool and then just kind of trace it out all the way back to the top. If you completed your selection, you'll get what's called the little marching ants, the little dashed lines. If you did that, that means you got it correct. You connected your selection. So still keeping the lasso tool and keeping this, making sure the selection is here. If you hover inside of it, you'll see your cursor change from the lasso tool to this arrow with a little square selection icon. Right click, hit make work path. You can leave your tolerance at 2 pixels. Hit OK. And so now you can see that it has changed from the little marching ants to this blue path. Now, if you wanted to, you could actually, move these points around if you don't really like where it's at. If you're not pleased with the selection, the way it turned out, that's what these points on the path for. You could kind of manipulate that path a little bit. I'm pretty pleased with where mine are, so I'm not going to change that. So I'm going to go hit my text tool. And when I bring my text tool into this path, you will notice that it changes from the normal square with the text icon to now a circle with the text icon. So I'm going to click inside of here. And it should, if yours is set up, your preferences, it will pre-fill some text in here. And so all I'm going to do is just copy and paste this until I fill up the whole text selection. Okay. Then escape to get out and click off of it. And now you can see that my text is wrapped around. And from here, you can manipulate your text. You can change the color of it, font size, change the font, whatever you would normally do to do that. And it will always stay within inside this box or this selection. So even if I make it really big, or if I go to really small text, it's still going to stay around that selection. So super easy, really cool technique. Sometimes it looks good in your graphics to kind of wrap things around this. And you've probably seen it before and just wonder, how do you do that? Well, it's actually very, very simple to do. So anyway, there you go. Really quick. And just for, I guess, like a bonus thing, if you wanted to, you can also do it with objects. You could draw an object here. Let's fill this real quick. Let's select it. If we go back, select the lasso tool, right click, make a work path, same way that we did. Text tool, select it in there. And like I said, I'm just going to fill it up. And then if I go hide that, I can change this. And now our text is around the shape. So, we can center the paragraph, and there you go. Now we got text inside of a circle. So anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, super quick tutorial, but I just came across this the other day. Figured I'd show you guys how to do it. If you create something using this, tag me on social media at ARcreates. I'd like to see what you did, see how you use this. Be sure and subscribe so that you get access, instant notifications to all of my tutorial videos and other videos coming out. Talk to you guys later. Thank you.